Hi, I'm Eta Yulia, a teacher at SDN Jagakarsa 03 Pagi, south of Jakarta. Every innovation begins with a challenge, but I believe that every challenge is opportunity for us to grow together. I believe that meaningful learning starts from the world around us. Meaningful learning is not only about memorizing facts, but also developing critical, collaborative, and reflective thinking skills. As a teacher, I believe that every child has the potential to discover meaning through their own learning process. This time, I'm implementing Deep Learning Lesson Plan, RPM, in the Science, Environment, and Social Studies (IPA) subject, with the topic of ecosystem and food chain. Through RPM, I aim to help students understand concepts more deeply, not only from textbook, but also from their real environment at school. I use the problem-based learning approach. Problem-based learning is a model that starts from real-life problems. Students are invited to observe, discuss, and find solutions through direct experience. The problem I brought comes from the school environment. Students explore how ecosystems interact around our schoolyard. However, the challenge is how to make the learning process more engaging, interactive, and relevant in the digital era. As a solution, I use InVideo, an AI-based application that helps teachers and students create creative and informative learning videos. Personal challenges. As a teacher, the personal challenge I faced was balancing the use of bilingual instruction, inquiry-based learning, and digital tools effectively in one integrated lesson. From the students were not yet accustomed to hearing bilingual instruction, so repetition and visual examples were necessary. The digital skills varied, especially in video creating and editing when using InVideo. From the teacher and technical side, there were limitations in device, laptop, and internet connectivity. Collaboration with the school principal was needed to obtain permission for using the school environmental and with the IT teacher for technical assistance when using InVideo AI. Okay, good morning class.
Good morning, Miss Eta.
Good morning, my student. How are you?
I'm good. Good morning, my teacher. How are you?
I'm great. Good morning, my student.
Good morning, my teacher.
Good morning, everybody. How are you?
I'm good. I'm
Today, we
great.
will learn about ekosistem sekolahku. Ekosistem, apa ya ekosistem itu? Kita lihat ya. Hari ini kita akan menggabungkan antara ekosistem dengan inovasi digital AI. Siapa yang suka? Saya, semua pasti suka. Kita akan mempresentasikan hasil nanti observasi yang akan kita lakukan. Baik anak-anak. Now let's check the pond fish. What are you seeing in the pond fish?
Alga.
Alga. What else?
Big fish.
Big fish. What else?
Small fish.
Small fish. What else? Turtle. What else?
Lumut.
Lumut. Okay. Is act as decomposter.
Bacteria.
Bacteria. Okay, good. Bacteria. Now we are in kandang ayam. What are you seeing in kandang ayam? Apa yang kamu lihat di kandang ayam?
Ayam.
Ayam, chicken. What else? Egg. There are egg. There is an egg there. Ya, ada egg. What else?
Tanah.
Tanah. What else?
Pohon.
Ada pohon. Going to show you how I use InVideo AI to create an engaging learning video for my students in the IPA subject with the topic ecosystem and food chain. First, I open the website invideo.io and login. Then, I choose a video template that match my learning theme. I type or paste the script that I have prepared for the lesson. Then, InVideo automatically generates a complete video with voiceover, image, and music based on my text input.
Hasil pengamatan dari kelompok kami yang dituangkan dalam aplikasi InVideo, yang dimana sebagai produsen yaitu alga dan lumut, yang berperan sebagai konsumen satu yaitu ikan kecil dan ikan besar, dan yang berperan sebagai konsumen dua yaitu kura-kura, yang berperan sebagai dekomposer yaitu bakteri.
Halo,
Selamat menyaksikan.
ini aku mau ajak kalian menyelami dunia yang seru banget, yaitu ekosistem kolam ikan. Pernah bertanya-tanya nggak, apa sih yang bikin kolam ikan itu hidup? Semua itu karena ada bagian yang hidup dan bagian yang tidak hidup, yang bekerja sama seperti mesin yang bagus. Kita mulai dari bagian yang hidup, ya. Ikan-ikan kecil berenang cepat, ikan besar kalau merasa ingin menarik akan suka dan berlangganan untuk cerita sains keren lainnya. Sampai jumpa lagi.
Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Terima
The
kasih.
use of digital media such as Canva and InVideo AI prove that technology can enrich the learning process rather than replace it. Collaboration with fellow and teachers, the principal, and especially the students has become the foundation of meaningful and relevant learning in digital area. I will continue to move forward to learn, to share for the better future of our education.
Miss Eta hari ini sangat menyenangkan.
Apalagi pakai surat
TB.
Hasil dan dampak pembelajaran. Dari pembelajaran berbasis inquiry kolaboratif bilingual, ini saya melihat perubahan nyata pada peserta didik. Di mana peserta didik seiring proses pendampingan dan penerapan scaffolding bilingual. Mereka mulai berani mengungkapkan ide dalam dua bahasa, di mana pemanfaatan InVideo AI membuat pembelajaran lebih konseptual dan bermakna. Siswa tidak hanya memahami konsep rantai makanan secara teoritis, tetapi juga dapat memvisualisasikannya melalui media digital yang mereka buat sendiri. Dari sudut pandang profil lulusan, saya melihat sudah muncul pada dimensi. Yang pertama ada mandiri, kemudian bernalar kritis, kreatif, cinta lingkungan. Saya menyadari bahwa pembelajaran mendalam tidak selalu harus melakukan di laboratorium besar atau dengan alat yang sangat canggih.